First question. So here are some important coordinate geometry questions we will do just for practice. From section formula we were doing. We are doing from sectional formula. Okay, and exercise number 6.3 level 2 sums, children. Level 2 sums. Section formula, children. I hope all of you remember section formula. Those who don't remember, please see here, children. For the first question, please, children, all of you, please kindly cooperate with me. This is a parallelogram. Please see, children, parallelogram. The three vertices of parallelogram are -2, -1, and 1, 0, 4, 3. What is the third vertex? Fourth vertex. What is the fourth vertex? Who will tell, children?
Sir, can I?
Sridhar.
So first we should find. Sir, can you mark the vertices?
A, B, C, D.
Sir, AB is equal to DC, sir, because it is a parallelogram.
AB is equal to DC. Okay.
So we should root.
No, that is a very big method. That is very big method, Nana. Wait, Nana. Let me tell. Wait. Sridhar will tell. Nana, I will tell easy method. Find the midpoint of AC, apply it to BD. Find the midpoint of AC,
Okay,
apply
sir.
it to BD, you will get easy there, Nana. First statement you say, in parallelogram, say, in parallelogram,
Diagonals bisect each other.
means what? Midpoints
Midpoints are the same, sir, for both the
are
diagonals.
equal. Midpoints are equal.
Equal.
So midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of B. Can you tell midpoint of AC, Nana?
Yes, sir. -2 plus 4 by 2,
comma,
-1 plus 3 by 2
is equal to
1 plus x by 2,
comma
0 plus y by 2.
Sir,
Okay.
it is 1 plus 3 now, sir.
-1 plus 3 -1 Nana. -1. Okay, now for x's you have to equate this both. For y's you have to equate this both. Can you tell equation for x's?
-2 plus 4 by 2 is equal to x. Okay.
Keep saying, Amma.
2 is equal to x plus 1. X is equal to 1.
Okay.
2 by 2 is equal to y by 2. 2 is y is equal to 2.
Y is equal to 2. Very good. 42nd question. Who will do 42nd question? The points are the extremities of the diagonals of parallelogram, children. Just see here, children. After saying the question, if you know, you can tell, children. So 3, -4, okay, and -6, 2 are the extremities of the diagonal of parallel. If the third vertex is -1, -3, what is the fourth vertex? Same question, children. Same question.
Sir, can I tell?
Can I tell?
Yeah, I will ask any one student. They have to say. Sweta is there. Sweta. Sweta. Okay. Sanvi. Varshini.
Yes, sir.
Nana, Varshini, can you tell?
Since diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD.
Very good. Keep saying.
3 minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to -1 plus x divided by 2.
-4.
-4 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to -1 plus x divided by 2 -3 plus y divided by 2.
Can you compare this both?
-3 divided by 2 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. 2 and 2 can get cancelled. So -2 is equal to x. -2 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel. -5 is equal to y.
Y is equal to 1. 3 will come here, no? Plus 3 minus 2, 1. Very good response. Very good. Next question. 43rd question, children. See the question. If the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides of triangle find the vertices of triangle. So many times I told you this question, children. I hope you remember this. But once again, anyway, I will discuss, children, only once. So, children, midpoints are, so many times I told children this question. So the midpoints are 1, 1, 1, comma 1, 2, comma minus 3, and 3, comma 4. We have to find out vertices, children. We have to find out vertices. Okay, so these are midpoints, children. These all are midpoints. Can anyone tell midpoint for these both children?
So
X1 plus
x1 plus y1 by
X2 by 2
2 is equal
y1
is equal to 1.
1 plus
Y1 plus
y2 by 2 is equal to 1.
1. In the same way, for this both midpoints,
x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 2.
okay,
y1 plus y2
Y2
by 2 is equal to minus 3.
by 2 is equal to minus 3.
Very good. Yes, this both.
x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 3.
Okay.
y1 plus y3 by 3 is by 2 is equal to 4.
4. Very fantastic. So now what we will do? Now, children, what we will do is we have to just bring all these denominators to right side, children. Since they both are same and erasing this, please keep copying, children, or everyone should copy. Don't sit idle, children. So
x plus x is equal to 2.
x1 plus x2 is equal to 2.
y1 plus y2 is equal to 2.
Okay.
x2 plus x3 is equal to 4.
Okay.
y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 6.
Okay.
x1 plus x3 is equal to 6.
X1 plus x3 is equal to 6.
y1 plus y3 is equal to 8.
Y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. Can you add this 3 now?
Yes, sir. x1, 2x1, 3, or 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 12. 2 common x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6.
Can you add this 3, Amma?
2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 is equal to 3.
4. 10 minus 6, 4.
y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2.
Now, if I substitute this here,
6 plus x3 is equal to 6.
2
plus
x3 is equal
x3
to
is equal
6.
to 6. x3 is equal to 4.
Suppose I substitute x2 plus x3 here.
x1 plus 4 is equal to 6.
Hmm.
x1 is equal to 2.
Suppose if I substitute this and this here.
6 plus x2 is equal to 6. x2 is equal to 0.
X2 is equal to 0. Now, y1 plus y2 here substitute if I substitute
2 plus y3 is equal to, what is it?
4.
4. y3 is equal to 2.
Fantastic. Can you substitute this 4?
Yes, sir.
Two
y1
is
minus y1
minus
6 is equal to 4. y1 is equal to 10.
10. Y1, y3 now? Can you substitute 8 plus?
Yes, sir. 8 plus y2 is equal to 8. y2 is equal to 1. Oh,
Zero,
Sir.
Huh?
y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 2, sir.
Y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 4 by 2, 2 RG. I'm sorry. 2. So if this is 2,
0.
this will become 0. If this is 2, this will become
8.
8. If this is 2, this is how much, Amma?
8, sir.
8. 2 minus 8?
Minus 6. Sir.
Minus 6. So what are the coordinates? What are the coordinates we got, Anna? 4, 0.
Comma 0.
4, 0 and
2 minus 6, sir.
2, 8.
Minus down. y2, no, sir.
X1, y1.
y1, okay, sir. 2
Next
comma
x2, y2, 0, minus.
0 comma minus 6.
Like this you have to do, children. Little bit big some children, but very, very important children like this. Okay. So when the key points, how to go for this, you should understand, children. Okay, I hope you all understood, children. Next question from this only 44th question. So 44th question, determine the ratio in which very in fact in coordinate geometry I can give this rank 1 children so many times they ask this question. Okay, 3 comma minus 1 is divided by one straight line whose equation is x minus y is equal to 2. Oh, yeah. In what ratio this line is dividing this board? Let us say mn. Okay, Okay, let us say mn, and this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Can anyone tell what is xp formula, section formula?
mx2
mx2
plus
plus
n by
mx1 by m plus n.
M plus n. Can anyone tell yp formula?
my2 plus
n
ny1 by
plus
m
n.
plus n.
M plus n. Okay, children. Chalo, let's substitute, children. So xp is equal to what is m, children? M into x2 is how much? X2 8.
8,
X1 is how much?
3
By
by m.
m plus n. Can anyone tell yp? Yp?
Yes, sir. M into 9 plus n into minus 1
By
by n.
m plus n. Wait, none of all you are always saying let we will ask others also if not happy, others are happy. So who will tell this one? Srinija, you tell Nana. This and this you substitute in this equation, Nana. You get the answer. Srinija, this and this substitute this.
m8
8m
plus
3m
3n by mn
m plus n
minus
is your x minus
9m minus 1 n by m plus n.
is equal to 2. What is the LCM?
mn m
M
plus
plus
n.
n, Nana. 8m
8m plus 3n minus 9m
okay.
minus n
Plus n, minus into minus.
plus.
Small mistakes. There only you will lose marks. Significant mistake will say no. There only you lose marks. Be careful. Okay, ma. Tell Nana. 8m minus 9m
Minus 1
minus m plus
4n
is equal to
2.
2m plus 2m. Now this goes here. This comes here. Tell me.
2n is equals to n m.
Here. Okay. Now what happens? Now what is the answer? Ratio. M by n we want. So bring n down. 3 down. So 4 by 3 is equal to m by n. So n is to n is equal to 4 is to 3 is the answer. That's it. Okay, now understood? Next question. The 45th question. 3 vertices again. 3 vertices of parallelogram. Find the 4th vertex. This I am saying from that time onwards. I write
4n minus
4n minus 2n, no, sir. 4n minus 2n.
no, I didn't do that. I'm sorry. 1 second. 4n minus 2n is equal to 2m plus m. 2n is equal to 3m. N will come down, 3 will go here. 2 by 3 is equal to m by n. M is to n is equal to 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is the ratio in which this line segment is dividing this line in this ratio. Children, this question okay, I will do children because here they have given a plus b comma a minus b is one of these, and 2a plus b comma 2a minus b is another of these, and a minus b comma a plus b is another of this. They are asking to find out same children, fourth vertex. Since it is a parallelogram, opposites diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, Samhita, can you tell Nana? Samhita.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D, Nana. So midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD.
BD. Yes, sir. A plus B plus A minus B by 2
1 second. A plus B plus A minus
plus A minus B by 2
plus A minus B by 2
is
comma,
equal to
comma
A minus B plus A plus B by 2
A plus B by 2 is
equal to x plus 2A plus B by 2
x by 2 comma
y plus 2A minus B by 2
first this you put, it will become
2A
easy.
minus B plus y by 2.
That will become easy, Nana, right? Now this both will be compared.
Yes, sir. 2 cancel.
BB cancel. 2A by 2 is equal to 2A plus BB plus
X by 2. B plus x. Okay. Minus b is equal to x.
Very good. Can you please help me for this?
Sir, BB cancel. 2A by 2 is equal to 2A minus B plus y by 2. 2 cancel.
Okay.
2A cancel.
Okay. Cancel.
B is equal to Y.
That's it. B is equal to Y children. That's it. Okay. Next question. For sixth question. Again, to what is a parallel diagonal character? Okay, for children, same question, but it's the deviation here. Little deviation. The two what is the parallelogram are 3 comma 2 minus 1 comma 0, and the diagonals are cutting it. Diagonals are cutting at 2 comma minus 5. Midpoint indirectly they give. Okay. Find the other vertices of parallelogram. X1, Y1 I want, X2, Y2 I want. Okay. Like this they are asking. Okay, children. Okay, Mohana. Can you tell this one, Nana? Mohana?
Yes, sir.
This is midpoint. So tell me. X1.
X1.
Okay, a lot of disturbance in there. Wait. Mohan Karthik, you tell now. Mohan Karthik. X1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Mohan Karthik.
Sir,
Tell how many times should we call y1 plus 0?
equal. Sir, what is the midpoint, sir?
This is midpoint. What you are listening in the class? I told these are midpoints. 2 comma minus 5. Y1.
Y1 plus 0 by 2 equals to 5 minus 5, sir.
Bring this here, Nana.
X1
Keep saying.
X1 equals to 5, sir.
Okay. Now, please, can you please tell Nana, because you did not understand. I didn't say you are not concentrating. Can you please tell this first?
X2 plus 3 by 2
X2 plus
equals to 2, sir. Plus 2 by 2 equals to minus 5.
Minus 5, this goes here. Okay. Say
X2 equals to 1, sir.
X2 is equal to 1. Okay. And Y2 is equal to?
Y2 equals to minus 12.
So what are the coordinates for this? 5 comma minus.
10.
What are the coordinates for this? 1
Comma
comma
minus 12.
1 comma minus 2. Please concentrate on some word, some other word. You have to concentrate at 3 point. I may ask anyone, anytime. 47 questions, personal question. If the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides of triangle, children, this is very big sum. Already I told just now. I can't say again, children. 48 question. Now only I told. 48 question. The line segment joining the points is trisected. This is important. Trisected, children. Line segments. Trisection means 2 points divided into 3 equal parts. 2 points divided into 3 equal points. 3 comma 3, 6 comma minus 6. 3 comma 3, 6 comma minus 6. P and Q dividing it into 3 equal parts, children. P and Q are dividing it into 3 equal parts, children. P and Q at the points A and B, such that A and B, this is PQ. Please also please see, children. P is nearer to A. That is A is near to A lies, children. The line segment of A is. 1 second, children. 1 second, small disturbance. 1 second, children. Line segment, the points P is trisected the points A and B. Yeah. So the equation of the line A is given by 2x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Find the value of k. It is asking find the value of k. Find the value of k. Lalitya, can you tell Nana? Lalitya? Lalitya is there? Nitin is there? Nitin? Satvik? Riddhi?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me now how to do? A is dividing in what ratio? Can you tell? A is dividing in what ratio? This is 1 part, this is 2 parts. So what is the ratio?
1:2.
1:3.
1:2. Nana, can you tell Nana section formula? Riddhi, can you tell me section formula?
M plus N.
Yeah. Okay, Yatin, can you please tell Nana? M is how much?
M is 1 and N is 2. So
X2 is how much? X2.
6. 1 into 6 plus 2 into 3
Okay. By?
by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3.
Okay, please tell me this one.
So YP is 1 into minus 6 plus N into 3
Okay.
by
Yeah.
1 plus 2.
This X, this Y, can you substitute in this formula? 2
Yes, sir.
into
2 into 6 plus 6 by 3
6 plus 6 by 3.
by 3
6 plus 6 by 3. And
plus minus 6 plus 6 by 3.
plus K is equal to 0. Okay.
And now
6 plus 6, 12. 12 by 3?
4. So that
Four
will be
plus
8,
that?
sir.
8. This gone
Plus
0
0.
by 3?
So K is equal to minus 8.
Very good. Very good. K is equal to minus 8. That's it. Simple assumption. Very easy. I hope you are able to understand it. Very, very easy. So 48. Okay, the line segment joining the points is trisected. I told you, no children, that is 48. Some children, this was 48. 43 consecutive. Again, for 48, some parallelogram is coming, children. I can't see any. Okay, over that is. Again, what is a parallelogram? Again, parallelogram. Midpoints are again key, children. So let's not do midpoints. So next one. One second. Children, these equations are very, very important, children. If they are giving equations, very, very, very important. Children, this question also they are asking regularly. Please see here, children. This question also they are asking regularly, children. Find the ratio in which minus 3 comma p divides the line segments joining the points. Dividing the lines are not this, but okay, anyway, let's discuss this. Minus 5 comma minus 4, minus 2 comma 3. This is dividing in which ratio? Minus 3 comma p divides the line segment. Minus 3 comma p divides the line segment in what ratio? How to do this question, children? By using minus 3, we should find
Ratio, sir.
ratio. By using ratio, we should find
Raise to find
P,
P.
sir.
P. Okay, children. Those who did not understand, listen, children. Again, I'm saying, by using minus 3, we should find ratio. By using ratio, we should find P. Children. XP. Mx2 plus Nx1 by
M plus
yeah. Who will tell this question?
M into
Very good.
M into minus 2
Now,
Sir,
XP is minus
minus
3.
minus 3 is equal to M into minus 2
Okay.
plus N into minus 5 by M plus N.
Okay.
P is equal to minus 3M minus 3N minus 2M plus minus 5N
Okay.
minus 3M plus 2M 3N minus 5N minus M is equal to minus 2N.
Minus yeah. So
M by N is equal to 2 by 1.
that is 2:1.
2:1.
That is 2:1. Okay. Now using 2:1, Nana, can you find out P amma?
YP is equal to M by 2 plus N by 1 by M plus N.
Okay. What is YP?
YP is equal to P is equal to 2 into 3.
Sir, N by 1.
Okay. N into
N into 1 into minus 4 plus 3. P is equal to 6 minus 4, 3. 2 by 3.
so minus 3 comma
2 by
3
is
divides
line segment into 2:1 ratio.
in 2:1 ratio. Very good. Like this, children. Using this, we should find ratio. Using ratio, we should find P. So minus 3 comma 2 by 3 divides the line segment in 2:1 ratio. Just like this question they are asking children in board exam. Sometimes they are saying by divided by x-axis, y-axis, like that also they are saying. Hope you all are copying, children. I hope nobody is sitting idle. Don't sit idle, children. If you sit idle, nothing you will understand. Kiriti, get ready. Next time for you only I'll ask you. Kiriti, get ready. Only substitution I'll ask you. Get ready. Okay, children, next question. Please see here, all of you. One second, children. Section formula. We are doing. Question is like this, children. Little bit big question. This is find the center of the circle. Okay. Two opposites. Find the center of the circle. Okay. This is a little bit big question, but what we'll do it, children. No problem. Yeah. Please see here, children. I will explain. This is a little bit big question. Previously also I said I'll explain later. Let me complete up today this question. This is a square, children. I hope everyone understands. This is a square. We'll do slowly, children. Little bit big question. This is in textbook. Your optional exercise. It is there some third or fourth one. If two opposite vertices of square are 5, 4 and 1 comma minus, this is 5, 4 and 1 comma minus 6. Okay. Find the coordinates of remaining two vertices. X1, Y1, X2. We should one. This is little big question. Okay, children. So, okay, children, what they said, find this. He is saying find this two opposite vertices of square, children. They are opposite. So, like this, we have to find out, children. Okay, so this is the square, children. First, let me find out this distance. Let me find out this distance. What is this distance? How to find out this distance, children?
Distance formula.
5 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 6 whole square under root of 4 square plus 10 square under root of 16 plus 100 under root of 116 is this one. Okay, so under root of 116. Now, children, this is A, this is A. If you think that, can we apply Pythagoras theorem, children, here? Yes, because A square all are 90. A square plus A square is equal to root of 116. This is root 116. Root of 116 whole square. Children, if you big sum, please see here. So 2A square is equal to 116. A square is equal to 5z 8z. A is equal to root of 58. Children, this is root 58. This is root 58. This is also root 58. This is also root 58. All means we have reached, children. All sides we have got. All sides we have got, children. So let us make two equations from this and this. We have to make two equations. So what okay, children. So what I will do, children, let me find out midpoint also, children. What is the midpoint of this, children? Midpoint 5 plus 1 by 2, comma 4 minus 6 by 2. That is how much, children? 6 by 2 minus 2 by 2. 3 comma minus 1. These are the midpoints. These are the midpoints. So this midpoints also will be same, children. X1 plus X2 by 2 will be equal to 3 because this midpoints also will be equal. And in the same way, Y1 plus Y2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. X1 plus X2 is equal to 6 and Y1 plus Y2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, children. Now, so children, the midpoint of this is we are applying for this. Now, let us make one equation with this, children. Okay, equation with this x minus 5 whole square using distance formula plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay, is equal to root of what, children? Root 15. Children, distance is root 15. Root 58 is equal to this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square under root. Okay, root cancel, root cancel. How much is this, children? X square plus 25
minus 10x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y is equal to 58.
Okay.
X square plus y square minus 10x minus 8y 25 plus 16
40.
42.
Is equal to 50. Okay, so x square plus y square minus 10x minus 8y is equal to, this will come here children, how much it is? 70. Okay children. Now children, what we will do is see here. So this is x, this is whole thing is x1, this is y1, this is x1, this is y1. Now what we will do children, we want x1 is there, y1. Relationship between x and y we want children. Is there any relationship between x and y children? Let us do equation for this both also children. Let us do equation for this both also. Yeah, under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to root 58. Root cancel. X square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y is equal to 58. So let's see here, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 12y is equal to, this is 37. 58 minus 37 is 21 children. So this is x2, this is y2, this is x2, this is y2 children. So this is one equation we got. Okay children, so what we have to do is somehow we have to cancel children. If you don't cancel, you will not get answer children. Okay. So I will take one more equation from here children. I'll take one more equation. Yeah. No,
Why can't we equate them both, sir?
These both are. You can't equate none. Waste of equation. No, I will tell. Actually, what happened? If for this equation I have taken, for this also if I take, I will get one linear equation and cancel and I will get the answer. Okay. For this I have taken this equation. No. For this also I will take equation. I will get a linear equation. You see, proper level if you want. Just see here. I want this equation. Can anyone tell this equation? Same equation, children. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus y plus 6 whole square is equal to, children, this is textbook, some little bit big. That's why I said at that time I won't say. Okay. Now x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y is equal to 58 children. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 12y 37. 58 minus 37 is how much children? 21. This is x1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Now let's solve this both children. Let's solve this. Okay. So if we solve that, we will get the answer children. X.
Sir, you have done it 2 times, sir.
Okay. No, I didn't do it 2 times because this also is the same equation. For this also it is coming same equation. For this also it is coming same. This is x2. This is y2. That's all. Little bit some that is only problem. This is no problem. So what we will do this one. This and this will equate children. X1 square plus y1 square minus 10 x1 minus 8y1 is equal to 17. X1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 12y1 is equal to 21. Okay, children, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is minus. This and this are getting cancelled, children. So what you are getting, children, here minus 8x1 minus 20y1 is equal to minus 4. Minus, if I take the divide everything with 4 children, minus 2x1 minus 5y1 is equal to minus 1 and getting children. Is there any relationship between x1 and x2 children? Y1 and y2 also not there. No relation is there. So this is some only for solve. Yes, children.
Sir, we cannot use area of a triangle.
Area of triangle, if you use what will get now? We will get area. If you get area, what is the use of? I found out hypotenuse. I found out all the sides. I found out midpoints. I found out equations, and I also equated that. This equation is equal to this equation. I equated that. The opposite sides are equal now. Adjacent sides also equal. And we do it this way that adjacent sides are equal. If you do like that also, it's not wrong. Okay, children, no problem. We'll do it later, children. Once I will just revise this question and I will tell again fast for you because I don't want to confuse you. It's a little bit quite big, some only, children. But I think some terms are different in textbook and this, children. I will discuss this. Anyone have any idea, children? Any easy idea for you?
Sir, midpoint theorem we can't use, sir. We can't use.
Midpoint theorem.
Yes.
Midpoint theorem what?
No, sir. Like we'll find distance from 5, like 5, 4 and 1, -6. We found midpoint. No, sir. 3, -1 we got.
This one.
3, -1. We'll find distance between 5, 4 and 3, -1.
Distance between 5, 4 and
3, -1.
that is already there. Half of this.
Yes, sir. And now we'll like again we'll divide with 2, sir. We'll get the midpoint of that. No, sir.
That much was not there. Once I will check and I will tell.
Okay, sir.
Distance formula for adjacent sides, sir.
Adjacent sides I use it. No. Here and here I use it for this and this one I use it. I use it.
No, sir. A, B, and B, C like that.
A, B, and B, C. I didn't know. This and this are adjacent sides only. This is this. This is this. I used it already.
Sir, that y1 value, you know, sir, like answer will be no, sir.
I know y1 value and rate of x1. No, I don't know the y1 value. That's what is the problem.
Sir, no, sir. Why are you taking 17, sir? Sides are equal, no, sir.
Sides are equal, so?
The direct root is equal to root that you can take.
Actually, you are asking me to equate this and this.
Yeah, equidistant like that, sir.
If I take like that also, already with two variables I'm suffering. Now I will get 4 variables. If I equate like that. Okay, but what you are saying, I will do once. Then you will understand. If you get also happy. So you are asking me to equate this with this. No, I will show because sides are equal. Under root of x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to under root of, tell Nana, very good, x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. This gone. X square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square plus 60 minus 8y is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y. X square, y square, x square, y square is going. Again, okay, 25 plus 16 is 41 minus 10x minus 8y is equal to this plus this is 37 minus 2x plus 12. This will come here, this will go here, this will also. 41 minus 37 is 4. 10x minus 2x is 8x. Minus 8y plus this is 20y. Previously I was getting this one, 1, 2x plus 10y. I got this one, no. When I equated. Just now I got this only. That was only my problem.
Sir, 5y, sir.
Okay, 5y. Oh, 5y. So, between x and y, we don't have any relation. That is only common.
Sir, we can't use any of the methods, like method of elimination.
One procedure is there, we will do. If we get your lucky children, one procedure is there, we will do. We'll apply Pythagoras theorem for this. Pythagoras theorem. If we apply Pythagoras theorem for this, root 116 whole square is equal to root of x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus root of x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. If you do like also you won't get no. But you will get one more equation. Apart from this, you will get one more equation. Let's check. If you get one more equation also, it's good only actually. But x square and y square will not get cancelled. No, something it's getting time waste. I will try once and I will let you know. Sorry, children, I just have some confusion. I'll let you know, children. Don't worry. Next question. Find the center of the circle. This is also very, very important. Same textbook sum only. Find the center of the circle. Find the center of the circle passing through 6 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 7, and 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. Okay, find the center of the circle. This is also very, very important question. See here. So let it be x and y, children. This is radius equal, this is radius equal, this is also radius equal. Okay, let's this is O, this is B, this is C. OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Okay, children, let's do OA is equal to OB. Anyone? Anyone? OA? X minus
3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square.
Okay.
Square cancel, root cancel.
Okay.
X minus 3 whole square cancel.
X minus 3 whole square cancel.
Y square plus 49 plus 14y.
Okay.
Equal to y square plus 9 minus 6y. Y square cancel. 40 is equal to minus 20y minus 24. Y is equal to minus 20. Minus 2. Sorry.
Minus 2. Very good. Now either OCOA or OCOB. Which one you want? Which one you want?
OC is equal to OB.
OB, yeah? Okay. OC is compulsory. OA and OB your wish because OA OB already work. So OC is how much?
Under root of x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to under root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Root cancel. X square minus 2 plus 6 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square.
Okay.
X square plus 36.
4 square is 16. Okay.
16 is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 25.
Okay, now expand this also. Now expand this also.
X square plus 36 minus 12x.
X square plus 36 minus 12x plus 16.
16 is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus 25.
Okay.
X square cancel. 36 plus 16, 52 minus 12x is equal to 34 minus 6x.
Okay.
52 minus 34 is equal to 6x plus 12x.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir, sorry. 16 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 4.
This is 16 only. 12 minus 4, no, 18. This is 1 second. This is 18. 18 is equal to 6x.
X is equal to 3.
So 3 comma minus 2 is the
Center of the circle.
Center of circle. Children, this is also option exercise, very, very important, children. So I hope you all understood this also, children. Next one. Children, please keep copying this. Children, next question. Find a point on x-axis. Find point on x-axis equidistant from one point on x-axis equidistant from 7 comma 6 and 3 comma 7 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Equidistant. What is meant by equidistant, children? On x-axis,
Y coordinate is 0.
on x-axis, y coordinate is 0, means x comma 0 is equidistant from 7 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. So this distance is equal to this distance, you should find out. Children, children, anyone does distance will there, children? Anyone? Yeah.
Correct.
Minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 2 square is equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square.
Okay.
So root cancel.
Very good.
X square plus 49 minus 14x plus minus 36 is equal to x square plus 9x. Sir, 9x. Okay.
Okay. So 49 plus 36 is 49 plus 36 is how much? 85 minus 14x is equal to 25 plus 6x. Okay. How much is that? 85 minus 25 is how much? 60 is equal to 20x. X is equal to 3. 3 comma 0 is equidistant from
X 7 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4.
3 comma 0 is equidistant. 3 comma 0 is equidistant from both the points. Okay, children. I hope you all understood. Please practice Adi Sharma children as much as possible. Thank you so much. Please give your attendance.